Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com, here with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and what we've got here is basically a battle for the next leg short term. You got higher lows, you got lower highs. I give the advantage to the bears because all of this is happening for the last 3, 6, 7 sessions below the daily mid band there, the green line. The bulls, if they want to break out of this, they're going to have to take out the high up at 43.25 from the 14th, and they're going to need to get up over the top of the daily midband at 45 and begin to go to work on last Monday's high up at 63.5. If that's not, if they can't accomplish all that, then all we're doing here really is just chopping around, chopping up, and kind of flagging up a little bit, and we're going to go ahead and make a lower low. Now, no low matters unless and until it's a low below the low from October the 13th, 2107.75. So we could be carving out another trading range here. We could be, chopping. We're not really chopping in anticipation of any major event until the election, but that's in 3 weeks. And do I put it past the market to chop around for 3 weeks? Not really. And that's fine as long as it chops in a range. If it chops in a range, you can always trade a range. So I'll be interested to see on any move up into the 40 to 43 area today, whether that area holds again. If that area holds again and we trade back into the 26, 27s, we may have, at least for the rest of this week, we may have established our range. So both sides want to break out of that range and own the next move. The easiest way to determine typically how that's going to go is who won the early week battle for the weekly pivot, which is sitting at 21.3270. That didn't happen this week. They've been fighting over it all week long. They're fighting over it right now. We traded on either side of it as early as 7 o'clock this morning. So that's not going to help us. Okay. So it's easier to see what do they do with 43, what do they do with 27, then what do they do on the downside with 18, and then 07. On the upside, 43, call it 43, 46, 47. You get the monthly pivot up at 47, and then you really have to deal with 63. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Follow us over at Twitter, at Princeton Trader. Come check out the website, PrincetonTrader.com. Come check out the chat room. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well, everybody.